How to buy Bodyotics products online. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can purchase Bodyotics products. So let's get into it. Now before I begin, there is a link in the description below for the website, and along with the link you'll also find some promo codes and discount codes that you can apply on the products that you purchase. So let's get into it. So here you can see I'm on the website, and here all you got to do is just select the product that you like. All right, so here at the top you've got all these different options, and then you can click on the shop now button to go ahead and view the products. And here you've got all the products right here. So you got the menstrual discs, Bodyotics, comfy disc, and reusable. So you can just simply go ahead and click on add to cart. This is like the whole shebang right here. So you can just simply go ahead and click on add to cart, or you can just simply click on more payments to, directly go to the checkout page, accepted terms and services, click on checkout. Over here you can go ahead and add the discount codes that I told you about in the description below. Paste the discount code, and you can save a bunch of money. So there you go. That's how you do it. That's how you can buy Bodyotics products online. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoy this video, and until next time, take care and goodbye.